How to make a Josephine picot in tatting. A Josephine picot is also known as a purl in tatting. It is an ornamental ring that comes from the first half of a double stitch made a specified number of times, made up of a series of single or half knots formed of the first knot. This simple article illustrates how each knot is made. Steps. 1. Commence the double stitch. Work only the first half of the double stitch and stop. 2. Make a small single or half knot. Use 4 or 5 knots only to keep the Josephine picot small. 3. Make a large single or half knot. Use 10 or 12 knots to make the Josephine picot large. Tips. Note that the word purl is often used in older patterns. Things. Tatting thread. Tatting shuttle. Pattern calling for Josephine knots.